Hey friends, welcome to my channel Learn with Kids. So today we are going to see some LKG related worksheet, English worksheet. So let's get started. Now this is the first worksheet where the kid need to understand the phonic sound of every pictures which it begins with, and they have to circle it. So here I have given some of the picture and I have given some of the letters. So the kid need to understand the phonic sound which it starts from, which it begins from, and they need to circle that a particular letter. Now this is the second worksheet where the kid need to understand the lowercase letter as well as the uppercase letter, and they need to match the lowercase with the uppercase. So here as you can see I have given some of the uppercase letter and as well as the lowercase letter. Kid need to find the lowercase letter and the uppercase letter, and they need to match it and complete the worksheet. This is the next worksheet where the kid need to see the picture and write and complete the word. So here I have given some of the picture, but I have not written the initial, that means the beginning sound or beginning letter of that particular picture. So kid need to understand the picture and what is the beginning sound or the letter, and they need to complete that missing space. The next worksheet where the kid need to complete the missing alphabet. So here I have given a chart where I have written some of the alphabets and I have not written all the alphabets. So whatever the alphabets is missing, they have to complete as per that. Now this is the fifth worksheet where the kid need to write the letters in an alphabetical order, that means in ABC order. So here as you can see I have given some of the lowercase alphabets, but it is not in an ABC order. So the kid need to understand what comes, like in an alphabet we say ABCD. So what is coming as ABC order, they need to understand and they need to complete the blanks. This is the next worksheet where the kid need to fill the blanks with the uppercase as well as the lowercase letter. So here I have given some of the letters, and some of the letters have uppercase letter and some of the letters have lowercase letter. So thus which letter which is already having the uppercase letter, the kid need to write the lowercase, and which have lowercase letter, the kid need to write the uppercase letter and complete the worksheet. Now this is the last worksheet of the English worksheet where the kid need to draw the picture as per the phonic sound. So here I have given some of the letters, and as per the letter and the phonic sound, whatever comes in their mind picture, they need to draw and complete the worksheet. That's all for today's videos, friend. I hope it will be helpful for your kid. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have some query or comment, do comment me in the comment box. Thank you.